So today I'm going to be doing the EWG wires on my JB4. What you want to do first is disassemble the JB4. This right here, just remove it. All right, just be careful you don't break anything. I don't have 2 screws here, 1, 2, and then this just comes right off. Now, you're going to get the first wire, right? One of those, right? I'm going to mark this one as my passenger. So the one with the tape right here would be my passenger. So, all right, now here are the connections 1 and 2, the EWG1 and WD2. Now it says here, either connector can attach to the passenger side. So with that being said, I'm going to use the number 1, 19, and 9 as the passenger that I marked here with the tape. So once you fit it through here, right, it says blue wire 19. Let's do that one first. So I got it in there, right? And then as you can see, I haven't pushed them in completely, but you can probably see it focused. That is the number 19 right there. Blue wire to 19. Now the next one is purple wire to 9, which I already got it in here too. Purple wire to the number 9. As you can see, this is 8, 9, 10. So the 9 right there in the middle. And what you want to do is just simply push them all the way in. Once you made sure that those are the right ones, 19 and 9. Right, purple 9, blue 19. Purple 9. There it is. And the blue back here, which is the one over here, 19. Let's push this in right now. All right, now we're gonna do connector number 2. I already got here. I already put in through here, right? And it says the blue wire is pin 14. Blue wire 14. So 14 would be the one on the very corner up here, right? Right there, 14. So let's put that one in there. All right, now that we got that in, it'll be purple wire on pin 8. So we go here. Should be next to the other purple, which is right here. Right there. Wait, let me focus. 8 right there, next to the other purple one. Now the next step is simple. All you have to do is put it all back together, right? Just plug it. You got your 2 screws right here, and then your Bluetooth, same thing, 2 screws right there, and then just sit it back in here, right? Put your cover back on. Make sure it fits nice. Put your cover back on, and then your screws, and you're good to go. Okay, now, in order for you to get to the menu that you need to enter these settings, you're gonna go to Advanced at the bottom, right here. You click on that, and you're gonna go User Adjustment Settings up here, and it'll bring up this screen. And then here everything's gonna be at 0, right? Default. So let's go over the settings now. And then once you're done with all the settings, then you're just gonna hit save, and you'll be done. But this is where you find this screen to enter the settings. Okay, now the settings here, right? They're gonna be here. I'm gonna be posting this link so that you can see them yourself, and then you can go at your own pace, you know, with clearer pictures. But I'm gonna go ahead and post that. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So here it is. It says number 1 says 50 across the board on under duty bias. So as you see here, I already set them down. So duty bias all the way down, 50. Is that what that means? All right. Now, Second one is FF set to 50, which will be FF wastegate 50. This one right here. Third one is PID gain set to 20. Right here, this one. Gain to 20. And 4, auto shift reduction set to 60, which would be auto shift boost redux. This one, the abbreviated one, would be 60. And then 4 stinger models that are flashed. So mine's not flashed or anything like that, so I don't have, you don't have to mess with that. But if you are flashed, you'll need to set bit 6 to on, and you find that one down here. You see bit 1, bit 2, you just keep scrolling down, you'll find bit 6, and then you just set that on. But this is the settings. This is all you need to do, and then I'll make sure to make a video on installing them. So stay tuned for that.